Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, I want to say a big thank you to you. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this hairstyle without knowing how to cornrow. So this is a very simple hairstyle that you can create with your short hair. And before I get started, please, I want to give you a few seconds to press the subscribe button down below, and also please push that bell button down below so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. Let's get right into it. You're going to take the sectioning comb, comb, and you're just going to section your hair from the beginning to the end like this. At least I'm doing this like this. This is because the style that I'm going for is going to be really good with this, like this. So I'm just going to section it like this. As you can see, my hair at the front is not that long, so there's a trick that I'm going to show you guys. So you're going to take a hair clip and you're just going to put that other one away so that when you're doing it, it's not on your way. If you have long hair, you can use a rubber band to secure the hair away. If you have short hair, this will be a very good way to make sure that it's not in your way when you're doing it. So I'm going to go in and section it like this, just little section out of the hair like this. The front, I would say try as much as to get it as nice and neat. The back, I don't really bother about the back. So I'm just taking this like this. I am combing that out just a little bit. Let me try and use the smaller comb like this. I'm not going to put no gel on it, but if you want, you can go ahead and put some gel before you use a rubber band to tie.
feel the waves.